Hi guys, welcome to Criticism channel. Today I'm going to talk about the USDT deposits and withdrawal, which is not available on Binance Exchange. It is available on Binance Exchange, and today I'm going to demonstrate on how you can deposit and withdraw your USDT through the Ton network on Binance Exchange. In order not to waste your time, let's proceed ahead to today's tutorials. First of all, I'm going to switch my Binance Exchange account to the wallet exchange, and I'm going to click on deposits. After clicking on deposits, I'll search on USDT. In USDT, you scroll down so you find Ton coins, Hong Kong network, the Ton coin network on USDT, and we click on that one. After that, I'll click on copy. Now switch back to my Ton wallet. I have copied on my Ton wallet, and I'm now moving ahead to automatic do the withdrawal. So I'm moving ahead to do the withdrawal. I'm going to withdraw USDT, which is the maximum. I'm going to draw the maximum, and here after that I'll push the recipient address of my wallet address, which is the Binance USDT on Ton network. Then I'll come back to my Binance exchange and I'll copy my memo, USDT memo. Make sure to copy the USDT memo, or else there will be a delay in your withdrawal or deposit. There will be a delay in your withdrawal or deposit if you don't copy the memo and paste it on the Ton wallet, just as you did with the recipient address. And here you've done all that is necessary. I will now click on send. After I've clicked on send, I'll come and enter confirm, and I use my bio verification. Then we are set to go. We are set to go. We got that, and it is now processing. It's now processing. I have withdrawn a minimum amount of $10, and they're sending it to our Binance Exchange wallet. And now I'll type on close. Let's see. Yes, this is the transaction history. Come to today transaction history. I've sent this amount of USDT to my Binance. Here is my comments, and now I'm going back to my Binance exchange to check if the balance has reflected on my accounts. You can see there's a notification on my Ton wallet that I've deposited an amount to my Binance exchange. So I'm now moving ahead to my Binance exchange. In a few moments, I'll receive a notification from Binance saying I've deposited $10 in addition to what I have here. Now we are going to wait and see if it will reflect on our balance accounts. Let's wait and see. Go. It might take long depending on your processing. May take long depending on your processing rate. Let's move back to home and see. We'll keep on refreshing. We'll keep on refreshing too. We received a notification from Gmail. Received a notification from Gmail on Binance that we have deposited an amount of 10 USDT to our accounts. And it is keeping along than we expected. We expected the deposits to, be reflected at just a few seconds or less than 1 minute, but it seems like it is keeping along than we expected, almost like 2 minutes. Then we still haven't received our deposit yet, but very soon the transactional process is still ongoing and our balance will soon be reflected on the Binance Exchange wallets. Get powered by you, and we refreshed. Wait, and here it is. Our $10 stakes in USDT has arrived, and let's go to wallets. Let's refresh. Let's go to spot, and here we have it. 10 USDT deposited into our Binance Exchange wallet from my Ton wallet USDT on Ton network. Now, as you guys can see, you can now make deposit and withdrawal of your USDT through Ton network on both your Ton Keeper or my Ton wallet to Binance Exchange wallets. And here is the proof, guys. And if you like the video that I made and you want me to keep on doing other videos like this, please forget not to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification button, and leave any comment below the comment section if you have anything thoughtful to share to us. Thank you. Let somebody.